Installing optical drives is going to be pretty much the same. The objectives really are kind of, suspect. They don't really mention a whole lot of detail as to what they will need to know about these optical drives. So some of it can be a bit of guesswork, knowing that's why we're just trying to provide as much information as possible just in case. But the installation of these definitely, right? Internal optical drives are going to take advantage of the ATAPI interface, which is another name for a parallel ATA, generally using standard IDE connections. Those were the original ones, drives, and they still are. You still can have that, although SATA drives will be available as well. The drives are installed on a separate channel for best performance, so they're isolated from fixed disk drives so that they're not competing for bandwidth. That still remains the same. And external drives could use different types of interfaces. The one unique thing here is the audio cable, which we see in the image. The audio cable has to be connected to the motherboard or to a sound card and an expansion card. And you might get sound cards if you really are using your machine for multimedia. You'd be using, say, digital audio. So you may have to make sure that that's provided by your motherboard. And if not, purchase an additional sound card to provide that capability. But you'd see the IDE, or in some cases SATA connection. You'd see the Molex power connector that's listed there, and then your audio. Jumpers, you don't really have to worry about these days. The drives are all self-sensing if there does happen to be another drive on the channel.